Orlando Pirates player rating bafethu, let's rate ama players bafethu Orlando Pirates against Milford bafethu. It was an electric game bafethu. Milford, they brought their best game bafethu esigodini, and bafike ba abantu nje bafethu abavezayo ukuthi ngeke abafethu abathukanga and basazonquma abantu lana kule PSL. So ke manje asike sibheke bafethu, siqale lapha kuSipho Chine. Sizoba rate nje out of 10 bafethu, ukuthi umuntu out of 10 uthole bani based number bafethu kwizinto engizibonile izolo. I'm not saying ukuthi lokho engikushoyo bafethu sekuyikhona kona, but nje based bafethu kwi performance. Zoqala kuSipho Chine bafethu. uSipho Chine bafethu, I will give him u7 bafethu. I will give him u7 out of 10. And for nje for ama save bafethu, because akhona ama save awashayile izolo, labafana bebene confidence ukuthi bakhahlele, and nangendlela bafethu asaqhubeka sayi-organize ngayi defense. Even noma kuthiwa khona imistake yenzakala kwi defense, uSipho Chine bafethu is always there to make sure ukuthi leyo nto leyo doesn't lead to a goal, and it's another clean sheet ke bafethu, njengoba simazi vele ukuthi uSipho Chine Mr clean sheet vele bafethu. So I will give bafethu uSipho Chine 7 out of 10. Ngiye laphana kuCM bafethu, uCM bafethu, I will give him an 8. I feel like uCM bafethu wenza ukuthi uSibisi anga exposeki ngezinye ikhathi, ngoba mangathiwa akekho ngampela bafethu uCM, uSibisi bafethu angawakhanda amanye ama problem. uCM even nane assist ke bafethu ayishayile, leya assist leyana i-assist ekumele ukuthi ishawa ama midfielder, but uyishaye kamnandi kanjani bafethu, la ikhiphele khona uMoremi. So yena ngamnika bafethu u8 out of 10. Base siya kuSibisi bafethu. uSibisi bafethu ngeke, uSibisi I feel like bafethu there is a problem laphana kuSibisi. Ngeke kuzoba inkinga bafethu ukurelya kuyena for the whole season. Siyayidinga ngempela ukuthi nalabo bafana noZulu noChabatsane bafethu ba stand up, because uSibisi I will give him a 5. And ngimnika u5 nje bafethu, ngoba vele ubekhona egroundini wadlala, but he was very shaky. Even nane pass nje bafethu la iphasela iMilford, mangathiwa besidlala neteam ngampela laphana, noma umdlalo wakhona thi ube wash kakhulu, leya nto leyana bafethu bizogcina iyigoli. uDion Hoto bafethu, I will give uDion Hoto bafethu u6. uDion Hoto bafethu ugijime kakhulu ke yena egemini, but ngiyakhala bafethu ngamanye ama decision uDion Hoto awathatha eboxini. Khona la uDion Hoto thola ukuthi kumele akhahlele kodwa angakhahleli ngenxa ukuthi yena ufuna ukuphasa. Uyakudinga bafethu ukuthi uDion Hoto ngesinye isikhathi akabe more selfish, akaligcine bafethu ibhola. Usibilibili bafethu, I will give usibilibili u8 naye bafethu. Ngimnike nje fana neyakho uCM, ngoba he was dangerous bafethu ekathekeni, and futhi ube maka kahle kakhulu laphana. iposition yakhe bafethu ubelokhu eyigcinile nje one way bafethu, one way. Then uMbatha bafethu, I will give uMbatha ngamnika u7.5 bafethu uMbatha, because iwazi uMbatha lona esimaziyo, and ubedlala vele ibhola lakhe bafethu eshaya box to box, but ibingekho into ebabazekayo esingathi ibi outstanding nje, kungathiwa ke nje mhlambe bekwi one of the best games zakhe, no bekwenye nje ama game we a container, and futhi besiwaluza ke nanamabhola esiswini engeke ngazi mhlambe noma ingoba ukudlala no Dancing mhlambe noTito bekuyi formation ebesingajwayele bafethu ukuthi siyidlala. Then ngizomove ngiye lapha kuDancing bafethu. uDancing I will give him a 9. Why ngimnika u9 bafethu? uDancing he was our man of the match, even nangendlela bafethu abedlala ngayo, ubesicontroller lesasisu, uyamaka lo mfana, and is very creative futhi uma ukuthi uyaphambili. And nje leya game bafethu against iMilford, I feel like mangathi uDancing ubengekho kuningi kakhulu ebesizolekha ngakho. So yena I would give him a 9 over 10 bafethu. Then ngiyekutito Maswanganye. uTito bafethu, uTito is a good player, but uTito ngingamnika bafethu 6.5. Ngingamnika u6.5 bafethu, ngoba yena he wasn't that bad, but kusakuningi bafethu okunye uTito ekusamele akulungise. Nangendlela nje bafethu agcine naye sephuma ngayo, ibikhomba ukuthi ubebuya be frustrated at times, and siyadinga bafethu for uTito to do better in that regard. Base ngiya kuMoremi bafethu, uTsepang Moremi, mina ngokwami kuTsepang Moremi naye I'll give him a 9 bafethu out of 10, because naye omunye umuntu bafethu obe contester for i-man of the match uma kuthiwa nje ngampela sizokhuluma iqiniso, ube challenger ngampela for i-man of the match. He was very crucial for us, indlela abephasa ngayo bafethu, indlela abegijima ngayo, ayobekhombisa bafethu ukuthi uMoremi uyilo Moremi ngampela bafethu, esimthembile ukuthi nakule season even ngisho igoli lakhe bafethu ulishaye with so much confidence. Yabona nje ukuthi ashaya ukhipha lapha aphinde futhi ashaye angafuqi bafethu inet akwazi ukuthi ayibone ngemuva. Is gonna be a very crucial player bafethu uMoremi for us this season. Base-ke bafethu ngiya lapha ku-Apolisi. U-Apolisi naye bafethu played a decent game, as much as ngeke sithi it was one of the best games aku-Apolisi, and futhi ukorile bafethu la ishaya khona i-free kick. He was very good na u-Apolisi bafethu, and uyakhombisa ukuthi njengamanje uready ukuthi kube uyena i-main man lapha na-Orlando Pirates. I hope ukuthi nalama bhola bafethu azovula, uyabona, eminye iminyango. Ngingamnika nje bafethu yena u-7.5 u-Apolisi kule game yayizolo. uMbuthuma bafethu, I will give uMbuthuma a 5 bafethu, I will give uMbuthuma a 5. I feel like uyadlala uMbuthuma but akawenza umsebenzi wakhe ekumele wenziwe i-striker, ngoba bafethu umsebenzi we-striker uwodwa igoli. Yabo lento ukuthi sithi striker siyadlala bafethu, umsebenzi we-striker bafethu igoli, siyalidinga igoli. Then from ama-substitute ethu bafethu, uLungu ungene bafethu naye laphana wadlala kahle kakhulu bafethu, ayikho into engingayigcika ngegame yakhe. I will give him u-6.5 bafethu, since umuntu vele odlale i-second half engayiqalanga i-first half, but ukungena kwabo bafethu kwenze sure ukuthi siyaperform. uRapo bafethu, I was happy also ngoRapo bafethu laphana engenela uDian Hoto. I will give uRapo bafethu u7, ngoba ukungena kwabo kusenze sakhombisa ukuthi bafethu sinehanga, sine-momentum, siyafuna ukuthi ngampela le game siyiwine. Then base ngiya lapha bafethu uKhositsile. Khositsile bafethu ngeke lo mfana, will give him an 8.5 bafethu, because as much as edlale 24 minutes but bafethu ngeke ukhombisile lo mfana ukuthi uready ngampela bafethu for i-Orlando Pirates, and uvele wasikhumbuza uMkhuthuzi-ke bafethu, njengoba simazi ukuthi besimkhumbula kakhulu uMkhuthuzi. Wavele wathi uNkulunkulu no, inkosi ifikile bafethu, yena ngiyamnika ngampela bafethu laphana u8.5. Base kuzoba yilo mfana bafethu uMasilela. Masilela bafethu udlala ibhola eliclean kakhulu, and kule season, mark my words bafethu, izothi phela isizini uzoba uMasilela engasabangiswa umuntu laphana ku number 10 position ye-Pirates, ngoba lo mfana bafethu akakhali njalo, yabona, akakhali njalo. I will give him bafethu u7 for igame yayizolo, because noma edlalile but awabanga khona lawo moments la sithi khona nakho mhlambe njengoba enze njenganoKhotsitsile, but igame yakhe bafethu beyidlala clean, and ukungena kwakhe futhi kusenze ngampela sayi-team more balance. So ngiyathemba ukuthi naye lo mfana bafethu uzokhula kamnandi nje. I-overall-ke nje bafethu performance ye-Orlando Pirates siyodwa, I will give it bafethu u7 out of 10, ngoba kusakhona bafethu lana esilungise khona, but ucoach nje bafethu, I will give ucoach bafethu u9, ukwazile ukuthi le game yezolo ayibone ngampela ukuthi singayiwina kuphi as amabhakaniya, ngoba indlela bafethu abeyihlele ngayo, usually amagame akanje siyawadliwa but not anymore. Wena-ke bafethu, how would you rate ama-players ye-Orlando Pirates bafethu kule game bafethu esiyibukile against i-Milford? This is mine bafethu, ningabe senithi sengithe kube sengazothi sengelwa nabantu, no, but nje ama-ratings bafethu egame engiyibonile against i-Milford. Kuyathembisa khona amabhakaniya, and kule season bafethu sizonquma abantu.